everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? It's a brand new day, it's a brand new week, it's a brand new month and a brand new year. So welcome you all to 2024, and we pray for a progressive year for us all. All right, so today, as usual, we're bringing you how we did something. We're not going to be telling you how we made this dress. This is one of our wedding dresses, right? So, but we're just going to be telling you how we worked this zipper in here. See how nicely positioned it is. Yeah, this zipper was attached to the back side of the dress. All right, so it went from looking like that, you know, to looking like this. So what did we do? Really, what did we do? Now remember that you always have measurements to a person's body before you walk their clothes. Before I continue, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. Yeah, every week we bring you brand new videos. It could be an inspiration, could be a 360-degree walk around of one of our very beautiful bespoke pieces, or it could be a video telling you, giving you details on how we made one of our apparel, how we made one of our accessories, or how we made one of our interior decor. It could also be us demystifying something. Yeah, actually we're going to be bringing you some of that this year. Yes, we're going to spruce things up a bit. So tune in, yeah, subscribe, and then tune in so that you can get these videos when they come. All right, and also our galleries, we have them on Instagram. We have galleries for these wedding dresses. You'd find all of our wedding day apparel, the wedding dress, the bridesmaids dresses, the wedding guest dresses. You find all of that at Makisode models on Instagram. And then you'll find our corporates and casuals and accessories. You'd find those on Makisode models. All of the links are going to be attached in the description box below. All right, so let's go on. Remember, earlier on I mentioned that we would have measured the said individual, right? And you would also have decided how long the zipper you're going to use is. So for those who want to use just the zipper that ends just underneath the scapula, or that bone at the back, the arm bone at the back, or those who want to end the zipper midway, yeah, or those who want to take the zipper all the way down to the hip, yeah, just to the upper pant line region. You can determine all of that and then decide whether you want your zipper to actually start here, yeah, somewhere in the middle. You want it to start here for those who want to have an open back garment, right? Yeah, so all of that are things you have to take into consideration, and this helps you decide the length of the zip to use, right? So, and having decided the length of the zip to use, you now have to come measure the dress and see where that ends and where you're going to be ending the attachment. So for this one, before this zip came on, right, it was just this part. You see that part right there, just before the zipper. You can see where the fabric stops and where the zipper starts, right? So it was just the fabric part. Now, because you're going to be attaching something else to it, you need even sewing, so to speak, because we sewed. So for you to attain even sewing, it means you have to have latched the zip, you know, at strategic points all along both sides of the fabric. So this side of the fabric and this other side of the fabric, you're going to have pinned it down somewhat. So in this case, you could use stitch markers, or you could use safety pins. I use safety pins. Why? The fabric, the zipper fabric is not yarn, so to speak. It's more cloth. So I needed something a little sharper. That is why I used safety pins. So you can use those tiny golden safety pins or silver, depending on what you find where you are, and attach at, you know, regular regions, yeah, regular spots, or, you know, just find the measurement. It may be an inch apart, 2 inches apart, 3 inches apart, depending on what it is you can work with before you now sew. So we thread a needle in the same color as the fabric, this particular fabric, or the same color as the zipper, depending on which you prefer, right? And so we use that to sew on. So we sewed. You could start from up here. You sew, sewing is just beyond the safety pin or outside of the safety pin, but evenly and beautifully, carefully, especially that carefully. You sew, use stitches that are, use sturdy stitches, because somebody's going to be wearing this, and if they have to stretch into the dress has to stretch up around them. It will not create open seams. You have to ensure that it doesn't create open seams. So you sew those stitches that do not create open seams, right? Go around, keep going around, and you're going to be coming underneath the zipper and back this way, all the way up. That's what we did. It's simple, yeah, but it requires a lot of tact. It requires being careful. It requires actually a lot of I'd say discipline. Yes, let me add that in there. To require a lot of discipline to achieve this very seamless look. Okay, so that's it. Now it's zipped, right? Zip down and zip it up. Okay, to complete this look, we actually gave it a little button here, so you can choose to attach your zipper all the way to the top, right, to the neckline, or not. It's really your choice, or what the individual you're making the dress for decided. Now, would you like a tutorial on this, on the total everything, meaning the full dress? Do let us know in the comment section below. Yeah, I would have you sign up for a special class for this, and then we'll get it done together. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.